Whether an employee or leader, at some point you'll need the basics of how to complete a review inside SpriggHR. So let's get started from a leader's perspective in this video, but the functionality of the review itself is really the same for leaders and employees alike, so everyone can benefit from this video. To access the review as an employee, just click the self-evaluation icon in the menu bar. For leaders, make your way to the Leader tab along the top of your screen. Then, select which one of your employees you would like to start the review for. In this demo, we'll choose Ann Parker by hitting the Manage button. In the Tools drop-down menu, select Performance Reviews. Now, make sure you have the proper performance year selected and hit Conduct a Performance Review. This will set the process in motion for both self and leader evaluations to be completed. So as a leader, let's hit Start Evaluation. Once open, we now begin the process of reviewing goals and competencies, as well as giving general feedback in the discussion points. It's important to note that SpriggHR is customizable, meaning your reviews can include any combination of these three sections, and the information inside of each can be customized as well. In order to input your thoughts throughout the review, we go to the evaluation template that sits under each goal or competency. Use the provided slider to give a rating that best represents an employee's performance for this specific goal or competency. Next, give some feedback. Sprig helps you out by providing valuable information right inside the review. And if you're still stuck on what to say, try using something from the feedback bank to help get you started. This process is used on each goal and competency. When we get to discussion points, though, you'll notice that the rating and slider is no longer present. That's because discussion points are a place for general feedback in response to predetermined questions or statements that can be customized. When you're satisfied with all of your ratings and feedback, click on the Submit Evaluation button. If you have mistakenly missed something, the review will prompt you to go back and address it. However, if everything checks out, you'll be able to submit and the review is now done. As mentioned before, this process is similar for both self and leader evaluations. Once both are completed, you can now have a more meaningful year-end conversation. The final step as a leader is to submit the entire completed review to HR. So whether you are evaluating yourself or an employee, I hope this video has helped you to understand the general process inside of SpriggHR. Thanks for joining me.